Once again, welcome back sa ating CRT series. So once again, ang goal natin is to discuss session 3 or power of 3. Power of 3 actually, yan yung isa sa reason bakit nag-work si CRT. And actually, CRT is an ICT concept. No? Or ano si ICT concept? ICT stands for Inner Circle Trader, which is a man who creates concepts. And actually, yung SMC, Smart Money Series, is galing sa kanya. Or parang galing sa ICT concept ang si SMC. I'm not just sure who is the person behind SMC, but parang if you search natin, who created SMC, siya ay dinevelop ni Michael J. Huddleston, which is also known as the ICT. Okay. So, based sa Google, si ICT pala ang gumawa ng SMC. Okay? Bakit? SMC is a trading strategy often considered as a simplified version of its original. Simplified version na lang si SMC. Si ICT is parang the original one. Okay? And naituro ko naman na sa inyo yung SMC, but I am going to believe that actually yung naituro kong SMC dahil nga gulo-gulo na eh. So, probably may naihalo kong ICT concept. But actually okay lang nun. Hindi naman siya masama. So, ngayon, power of 3. What is the power of 3? Power of 3 is actually a concept sa trading na nagre-revolve around these three words: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Ano po ba itsura niyan sa market? Hanap tayo. Where's like the textbook? I want to see the textbook. Ang definition nito. Yung pinakamaganda. Ito. Tingnan nyo to. When we say accumulation, usually it is in a range. So, tingnan nyo to. There is a box here. Sorry about that. There's a box here, right? This box is going to be the accumulation box, consolidation. Now, kapag ka nakita nyo that either side of the box, pwedeng taas or pwedeng baba, is puntahan ng price. So, this is the concept of A or accumulation. This is M for manipulation. And nakita nyo ito, bumagsak siya. That is D, distribution. What happens here is that nagkakaroon tayo ng AMD concept, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And that is the concept of power of 3. What happens lang is that nagkakaroon tayo ng accumulation. Now, ano bang ginagawa ng traders if they see an accumulation? They mark areas of resistance and support. Diba? Ngayon, akala nila, pagka lumagpas na dyan ang market, no? Parang ang goal is to break or to fake out. Pag lumagpas na dyan, lumagpas na si market, long na. Kaya siya tinatawag na manipulation because they are manipulating users to go long. Okay? And also, at the same time, they are manipulating the market para yung mga user na yon ay ma-SL. No? May mga user dito na naka-short. So, yung mga naka-short dito, i-SL nila. Kasi akala nila, dahil nga merong area of resistance dyan, hindi nalalagpas dyan. Ngayon, at the same time, may mga tao na nakaabang na mag-long dito sa taas. Okay? So, ang mangyayari dyan both, no? Yung mga naka-long and mga naka-short sa area na to, both ay ma-SL. And that is the concept of manipulation. Bakit nila ginagawa yon? Para makapag-proceed sila sa next step, which is the distribution. Dahil madami na silang orders na naipon, and to be specific, the term is called stop loss orders. Okay? Kapag nakaipon na sila ng madaming stop loss orders, by the way, we are talking about smart money ha, yung mga, when I say sila, nakaipon na sila ng stop loss order, I am talking about the market manipulators. Once na nakaipon na sila ng stop loss orders, pwede na lang i-dump to, yung market or distribution. Tingnan natin if nag-work talaga tong concept na to. Meron dito, super simple. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Whoop. Diba? Though once again, that is just in a form of small rectangles. But once again, very, very visible yung accumulation, yung consolidation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay? But once again, hindi naman siya palagi nangyayari, no? Like, mangyayari siya pero like hindi nyo siya makikita like ng mata lang. Like talagang ano. Ito very obvious. Accumulation, no? Biglang lumipad. So, akala ng mga tao long na. Pero, nag-reverse. And actually, I want to simplify everything. That's it, by the way. That's the accumulation, manipulation, distribution model. Or the power of 3. Ngayon, si IC, o si CRT is nag-work because of that. Nahulaan nyo na ba kung paano siya nag-work? The first candle is the A. That's the accumulation. The second candle is the M or the manipulation. Yun yung lumilipad ng kaunti. And then, lastly is D. Diba? Lastly is D. And D, no, is the distribution. And guys, kaya nga, when you guys search for CRT, ito lagi lumalabas na model. Yung gantong itsura. Because once again nga, no, once again, ang concept talaga ng CRT is heavily based on this tree. So, pag tinanong kayo, or ako kasi, binibigyan ko sila ng pangalan. So, naghahanap ako ng candle na accumulation. And therefore, when you are trying to find candle na nag-accumulate, it means that it is in a consolidation phase, right? Kaso, tanong nyo probably sa akin, sir, Snow, nasan to? Siyempre, itong isang pirasong kandila na to, sa lower time frame, baka ganito siya, di ba? Baka ganito yung tsura niya sa lower time frame. But not all of the time. Minsan, uptrend yan. So, isa lang yun sa parang imperfection ng CRT. Kasi hindi talaga tayo nakakita ng candle na nag-accumulate talaga. But, because we are trying to simplify, no? Yung gumawa ng CRT is simplifying that concept. Ito na nila naging basis niya. Isang pirasong kandila sa higher time frame that represents the candle for accumulation. Okay? So, itong first candle, that is the accumulation, which is usually in the form of uptrend or downtrend kasi nga white candle and blue candle. Manipulation is the sudden boobs. Bigla lipad, tas bagsak. That is the manipulation. And then distribution is downtrend na. And this is the basic CRT model, by the way, pag dinowing. Okay, so hanap tayo ng CRT model. Tingnan natin. Ito actually. By the way. Tingnan nyo to Hindi, wag mo na muna to. Kasi ito yung example natin sa previous video. Accumulation. Tingnan natin if we could anticipate the concept, by the way. No, experiment tayo. If we could anticipate manipulation, tingnan natin if babagsak siya. Now, hindi siya bumagsak. Why is that? Bumagsak siya, pero late. So, the manipulation process actually takes long. Hindi siya yung in-expect nyo na biglang bagsakan lang or like, bagsak na, hindi. But, at least, di ba, na-anticipate natin na babagsak siya. Because of the accumulation, manipulation must always be a big move. Mas maganda siya if big move like this, yung bigla lipad. And ito, actually, nag-create siya ng second manipulation Kasi for sure, madami na naka-short dito. Or madami ding naka-long. So, iisahin niya pa yan. But yeah, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But guys, do not think that the distribution process would always be large. there would be times that the distribution process is ganyan lang. As in, maliit lang. Tapos na yung CRT. And not CRT. Kasi ang CRT talaga, ang goal is umabot siya dito. But rather, may times na yung distribution is tapos na. Okay? Hindi talaga laging perfect. So, it is all about how you handle your risk, no? But the reason I am showing you this is that CRT is not just about this three candle. It has a meaning. And its meaning is that naka-base ang movement niya dito sa tatlong ito. Sa concept ng accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And as you guys could see, bakit ako pa? Concept ng accumulation is not always in the form of consolidation. Okay? When we say accumulation, hindi siya laging consolidation. Kita nyo to. Downtrend siya na normal, right? But do you guys see this big move? Na lumipad bigla siya and bigla nag-reversal? Ayan. That is also part of the concept of AMD. Accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. Ayan. Medyo weird, di ba? But yes, guys, that is a valid AMD. Because accumulation is when you are trying to create a move that, would fake others. So, syempre dahil downtrend to, others would short. Minanipulate para ma-SL yung mga naka-short. Then, nag-distribute. Yung distribution part kasi, dyan na kumikita yung mga smart money. Yung mga nagmamanipulate. Okay? So, that's the concept, by the way. No? Then, there would come a time that yung concept ng AMD would look like this. Accumulation, manipulation, then distribution is ganyan lang kaliit nga once again. Ito na yun. Like, may ganyan lang. Accumulation, manipulation, itong pahaba. Ang distribution is ganyan lang. Okay? Hindi laging ang distribution ay laging malaki or mahaba. Minsan ganyan lang talaga. But once again guys, I'm just letting you know that, ayun, may mga ganyan tayong concepts sa under ng AMD. But the main reason why is that if ayaw nyo mag-CRT, edi i-trade nyo tong concept ng AMD. No? But hindi kasi ako nag-AMD. But it's all about waiting for confirmation. And the most important confirmation lang naman is chalk. If you're in an uptrend, nakita ka ng change of character dito sa loob ng M box mo or manipulation box mo, entry. Tinuro ko naman na yung SMC entry model ng session 16. Because actually, that is how you entry lang naman sa CRT. Okay? The question is, how do you find high probability CRT setups? Diba? That's the question eh. How do you find high probability CRT setups? Now guys, let me teach you something. Kasi right now, we are in the concept of, din naman diba, power of 3. In the next video po, I'm going to show you guys the power of 3. Okay, so session number 4, I'm going to show you guys the power of 3 in line with major sessions. Okay, sobrang sobrang OP nito. Sobrang overpowered ito, by the way. Okay. So, naturo ko na din naman ang major sessions nung session number 15 sa SMC series ko. Once again, lahat yan naturo ko na guys sa previous session ko. It's just that we are taking a different approach, no, on the market instead of just the normal one. Kumbaga, we are trying to find a new way to look at it. No, so once again guys, thank you so much for listening and see you guys sa next video natin.